250 gram, curd half bowl, sugar 100 gram, oil 4 tablespoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon, milk 1 cup. I measured baking powder and baking soda with this teaspoon. Firstly, you should mix liquid ingredients: curd, sugar, and oil. You should put butter for texture. Now give it a whisk. Now mixing dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and you should put salt to enhance the sweetening taste of cake. A pinch. Now mixing dry ingredients in liquid mixture. Always put half portion of the mixture first and mix it. Then we'll be putting the remaining portion into the pan and mix it nicely. Now adding milk. Put it in small quantities in mixture. Mix it till no lumps is left. Add more milk if you want. Your mixture should be in this consistency. Now greasing the mold with oil. Spread oil evenly and nicely with the help of brush. And put some all-purpose flour so that cake won't stick to the mold. As you can see it. And now pouring the batter into the mold. Don't overfill the mold. Give it a tap. For baking the cake, have took thick layer of kadai and have put 1.5 cup of water. You can increase or decrease the water quantity. And put stand in kadai. Now putting mold in it for baking the cake. Cover it with lid nicely so that vapor won't come out. Keep it for 35 to 40 minutes in low flame. Now we'll check the cake. We'll put knife into it. You can see cake didn't stick to the knife. Means it's fully cooked and baked. Now we'll make ras. Here I have took 2 liters of milk in kadai, and as it has started boiling, we'll stir it continuously. With this spoon, have put 8 spoons of sugar and we'll stir it again. Now after 10 minutes, have put kesar milk into the ras. Keep stirring it. As you can see, it has reduced the milk. As you can see, it has reduced to 30%. My family likes thick ras, but if you want thin, then reduce it to 50% as it cools down and becomes thick. Already demold the cake and put it in container. You should use small containers, not like me big one. Now pricking the cake with fork. Now pouring ras on it. Both cake and ras should be warm. Now again pricking the cake to absorb the rus well, and again putting some more rus on it. Have already decorated the cake with almond, pista and cherry. Now we'll cut a piece for you all and see. Put more rus on it and enjoy.